This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: gasoline is extremely flammable, and repairing fuel system components can be dangerous. Consider your automotive repair knowledge and experience before attempting any repairs which may be better suited for a professional mechanic. Always have a fire extinguisher on hand. This procedure requires a well-ventilated area to be performed in. Use extreme caution and wear all kinds of protection necessary for this procedure. Before accessing the fuel pump or disassembling any part of the fuel system pressure must be relieved. Here's how. Remove the fuel fill cap. Remove the lower seat cushion. Pry up and remove the fuel pump module cover. Disconnect just the electrical connector from the fuel pump module. Start and run the engine until it stalls. Attempt to restart the engine a few more times until it will no longer start. Turn the ignition key to the off position. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the remote ground terminal. Then isolate the cable by securing the insulated part onto the stud. Then screw on the nut. Place a shop towel below the fuel line fitting at the top of the fuel pump module. Then disconnect the fitting. Dispose of any fuel-soaked rags properly. After the fuel system pressure is relieved, use a marker and place a mark across the position of the fuel pump module lock ring, fuel pump module, and fuel tank prior to removal. Use compressed air to blow debris out and away from the fuel pump module and opening. Remove the fuel pump module lock ring with a pair of channel lock pliers by grasping two notches between the outer end of the lock ring and the stationary metal notch on the fuel pump module. Rotating counterclockwise is shown. Do this carefully, ensuring a good grip with the pliers and avoid creating sparks. Remove the lock ring. Place a plentiful amount of rags around the fuel pump opening, as fuel will spill out when removing the pump module. Raise the fuel pump module out of the fuel tank, using caution not to spill fuel inside the vehicle. Avoid inhaling fumes. Tip the module on its side and drain all fuel from the reservoir. Remove the fuel pump module from the fuel tank, using caution not to bend the float arm. Remove and discard the rubber O-ring seal. Clean the rubber O-ring seal area on the fuel tank and install a new rubber O-ring seal. Lower the fuel pump module into the fuel tank, using caution not to bend the float arm. Align the rubber O-ring seal and position the fuel pump module in relation to the marks drawn in the previous step prior to removal. The pump module must be properly aligned and seated for the fuel level gauge to work properly. Position the lock ring into place, aligning the tabs and corresponding to the marks drawn across it previously. Lock the fuel pump module securely into place with the lock ring, using the same method as described before with channel lock pliers, but rotating the ring in a clockwise direction. Use caution and avoid creating sparks. Connect the fuel line to the fuel pump module. Connect the electrical connector to the module. Install the fuel pump module access cover. Install the rear seat. Connect the negative battery cable on the remote ground terminal. Install the fuel fill cap. Turn the key to the on position and let the system pressurize before starting. Check for fuel system leaks.